Hey gang, welcome to another installment of Taco Tuesday. It's late February, raining like a son of a gun out there, so I'm going to spend the day doing a bunch of video editing for the next several Taco Tuesdays, hopefully. Today's episode is going to be installing white LEDs into the vanity lights and in the overhead console lights. There will be an upcoming video that shows my pedal commander, and I have blue lights, blue footwell lights, and I did the dome light under blue. So here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to try and change out the interior lights here. Helps if I remove a warning sticker. Interesting. There we go. What I understand, pulling out that light bulb is a pain in the hinder. So you do the old tape thing. Get it around the bulb and pull. Sweet. Gonna use a lot of tape, I guess. Easy out, but not so easy in. Hey guys, if you wouldn't mind tickling the thumbs up button, leaving a comment, that'll help with the algorithm and get more people to see the videos and help the channel grow. Hi Daisy. We appreciate it. Thank you. There we go. And it's in. Sweet. Then put this back in. Done. Huh. Who knew? Shazam. Alright. Those are done. Oh, get this light out of my eyes. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see that. I gotta go get the bulbs. Okay. Pop that guy out. that one in. No light. Alright. Reverse the polarity. Woo! That puppy's pretty bright. I can see why some people say don't swap them on. But I'm not going to be using it, I don't think. Alright, I'm going to shut you guys off. I'm going to do the other side and the dome light. Don't think you guys really got to watch me do that. So, catch you later.